film. It's 2 dogfish. Oh man, I am so glad I hit the camera on this. I hope this is you caught. Alright, that is a new one on me. Oh boy, caught 2 dogfish.
The double dog.
This is a double dog.
Okay, guys. So, all right. Oh, this one's hooked all the way through.
See, these are where barbless hooks are a good thing. Oh, he ate that one.
Oh dear.
Yeah, whatever. Woo! Got a little skip there, and there he goes swimming off. Maybe a little sore for a while. He'll feel it in the morning, but he'll be fine.
You, on the other hand, are in trouble.
You can get that. Oh yeah, he definitely ate that thing.
I don't know that I can get that.